Welcome to the Tyreman. For over 5 decades, starting from 1969, the Tyreman has proudly led the way in delivering extensive coverage of the Malaysian tyre sector. We ensure that professionals in the industry remain up to date with the latest advancements. Our bi-monthly publications in English and Chinese, accessible in both print and digital formats, provide a wide variety of content. From updates on product launches and business development to the latest personnel appointments, we have you covered. Rely on us as your primary resource for everything related to the tyre industry in Malaysia. Open the doors to limitless access of the prime tyre industry information by becoming a subscriber to the Tyreman. Don't delay any further and grab hold of this chance. There's no simpler method to stay well informed. Seamlessly access our publication by logging in and immersing yourself. All your tyre-related news is merely a few clicks away, ready to be accessed across all devices. By subscribing, you secure your print copy and gain unlimited digital access to the latest edition and past issues. Log into our historical publications via the Archive Issues page on the Tyreman's newly updated website. Stay informed by browsing our wide array of both recent and past editions. Immerse yourself in the content, adjusting your focus as necessary, and easily share articles that pique your interest. The Tyreman now presents exclusive web content as an enhancement to your subscription. Your subscription brings a range of additional advantages, including early access to events and conferences organised by the Tyreman and its sister publications, Retrading Business and Time Rubber Recycling, reduced rates on Recircle Awards collaborations packages, and even a 1-month gift subscription for a friend or colleague. Keep yourself at the forefront of the industry and secure your business's competitive advantage by subscribing to the premier publication exclusively devoted to the tyre sector in Malaysia, the Tyreman. Become part of the Tyreman's expanding subscriber community today and position your company at the forefront of the tyre industry.